What's up guys, my name's Delio and welcome back to a LumaFusion video. It's been a while since I made a LumaFusion video, so let's make a review on LumaFusion 2.0. Let's not waste any time, and as you guys can see, this is the new interface. At first glance, it kind of looks like the original, but they have changed some layouts and stuff. These have been moved slightly and altered. We're gonna go down here, create a new project. We're gonna be setting this at 59.94 because it's my usual frame rate I use. Let's click the plus button, and this is what the new timeline looks like. As you guys can see, it starts off like this. What you want to do, like always, go and import your footage and stuff. Let's import this Black Ops 4 footage into the timeline. And as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. They kind of changed some of the colors and adjusted ways things look. They kind of move around some of the options, such as duplicate, detach audio, link, open frame and fit, preset selection, copy paste, cut, delete, add a new title, or whatever you want to do. So these are not the main things that they've done, and in fact the main things that they've done is add more tracks. And by more tracks, what they did was literally double the amount of tracks that you have. This is actually freaking crazy. As you guys can see, you can now have 6 video tracks. And wait, there's more. As you guys can see, you can keep going down. See, let's keep making this stack. This can be insane. So you're able to have 6 audio tracks or 6 video tracks, or if you want all audio tracks, you can have 12 audio tracks. It's freaking crazy, man. I also added some support for external monitors. I can't necessarily show it at the moment because I don't have a USB-C capable monitor, so I can't necessarily show you that feature, but I can also show you markers. They've made markers. It's finally a thing for your markers throughout your clip. You can add them if you want to quickly go between them. You press the back and forth buttons. If you want to get rid of them, you click that again. You're able to delete them. Just like that, it's pretty simple. If you hold down on the play button, you get a smooth in and out thing you can do to speed up your clips and get that precise editing. Pretty cool. I've also added some new options here. As you guys can see, you can lock each and every video track to disable them from being edited. So say we want to add a cut, it only cuts the top and bottom. This makes certain editing styles easier, which is pretty cool. And re-add the clips just like that. I can also make them invisible from the view as well, which is pretty cool. You can also link and unlink them just like that. Pretty easy. And in general, they've streamlined the UI to look more modern and you know, make animations work a little better. Also added frame IO support as well as other things in this version, so if you have a use case for that, you know, that's good for you. I personally don't have a use case for it because I'm kind of just a guy who edits videos and, you know, as a hobby, and it's not necessarily something I want to take seriously as of yet because, you know, I don't know if that's going to be a viable job, but, you know, that's what I'm interested in, and that's kind of just what I want to go into. So that's the majority of what they changed in this update. It may not seem like a whole lot, which is kind of an understatement because they've completely changed the look of the app. Like it looks like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. Like it looks completely different now. But other than the fact that they added new audio tracks and new video tracks and whatnot, everything's pretty much the same as 1.7. They haven't added any extra features like stabilization or any of that as of yet. Those are coming in the future. They're not ready for public release. It's kind of still in testing and they're still developing it. I hope that they add more features like easing in and easing out of keyframes, so I can make that easy, smooth transition throughout my clips, just to make it easier, not have to use workarounds like the pinch effect, like zoom in thing that you can do. I'll be showing you guys that effect in action and how you guys do it. It's actually pretty easy. It's kind of an effect that I've been using since summer of last year to create that zoom in, like say my face cam's in the corner, it like does a smooth zoom in, like it does that into my eyes or something. That's what I've been using. It's been kind of creating the effect like it should. That's pretty freaking awesome, if I can be honest. So hope you guys enjoy this review of LumaFusion 2.0. If you guys want to see more LumaFusion videos, make sure to drop a like as always, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and subscribe and hit that like button, and subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys later.